Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk about a postal worker today again. Let's go ahead and find the word postal worker. Oh, right. It's at the bottom. Say postal worker. How many words are there? That's right. There's two. Postal is one word. Worker is a second word. Is this a postal worker? So you could say, yes, it is a postal worker. Now right here, let's talk about what's right here. A postal worker has keys, and they're going to use those keys to get into the mailboxes in communities. A postal worker has a mail bag. So they're going to have a mail bag to carry their mail from their truck so they can deliver the mail. A postal worker is going to wear a uniform. So right now they're wearing it. You can tell a postal worker across the whole United States because they wear the same kinds of clothes. In our area, it's going to be a little bit more like this. And of course, if it's snowing and cold, they're going to be wearing some different types of clothes to stay warm. But it's still a uniform. That means everybody wears the same thing. Today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about what they drive next. Well, I'm sure you've seen them in your neighborhood. So the postal worker comes to your neighborhood in a postal truck. And so I have one right here that I'm going to put up on our poster. And we could call it a mail truck, postal truck. I'm going to call it a mail truck because I have an M up there and M says, Here we go. So they're going to drive an M-A-I-L-T-R-U-C-K. So they drive, a postal worker drives a mail truck when they're at work. That's what they drive. All right, friends, the next thing we're going to talk about is when they're working, where might you find them? Well, we know we see them in our neighborhood because they're our community helpers. So we know we're going to see them driving around in our neighborhood and delivering the mail. The other place that, of course, you're going to see a postal worker is at the post office. So before they get to your house, they have a big job. So we'll write post office, and at the post office we're going to talk about a couple more things that they get to do at the post office. So I'm going to put this, can you see the line? Okay. Right there, and we're going to write post office. Oops, let me stand. O-F-F-I-C-E. And so that's the actual building. So I'm going to make the building right here so you know that I'm talking about the building where they work. They work in a post office. And then one of the important parts of their job is inside the post office, they're actually going to sort the mail. So they have machines, and the machines are going to sort the mail so that they can go all across the world. But here in the United States, they want to make sure it gets to the right place in the United States because this is the United States Postal Service. So one of the things, they're going to sort the mail so that it gets on the right truck to get to your neighborhood. I'm going to put that one right there. So sort the mail. That's one of their jobs. S-O-R-T-T-H-E. Sort the mail. Sort the mail. That's one of their jobs in the post office. When they're in the post office, oops, where did I put my picture of in the post office? Oh, here we go. In the post office, they're going to work behind a counter. So not every single postal worker is going to deliver mail. Some of them work inside the office, and they're going to help the customers. So One of the reasons that your family might go into the post office is you need to maybe purchase some stamps, or maybe you have a package to mail. Some families keep their mail at the post office and they go to the post office to get their mail. One of the things that we do see postal workers doing is deliver the mail. So they're going to leave the post office, they're going to get in their mail truck and come to your neighborhood and come to where mom and dad work. They go everywhere. So we're going to put that one right here. And one of their jobs is to deliver